Here's another quick recipe from our dietitian, Simone.
Today we've got some delicious avocados. We usually think of them for that creamy, rich texture they've got, and that's from the healthy fats. But did you know they're also high in dietary fibre? Around half a cup of avocado will give you 5 grams of dietary fibre. That's nearly double that of a pear or a carrot. And now we're going to spice things up and make our avocado and chilli dip. This must be one of the simplest recipes ever and only takes 5 minutes to prepare creamy avocado dip with a hint of chilli. To make this creamy dip, mash 1 avocado in a bowl. In a separate bowl, mix 2 scoops of Ensure vanilla powder into 1/4 cup of natural yogurt. Then add the lemon juice, garlic, red chilli and a little salt. By adding the Ensure powder, you add protein and 28 vitamins and minerals to help keep your body strong and healthy. Add the mashed avocado to the other ingredients and mix all ingredients until smooth. You could do this in a blender if you prefer. Scoop out the dip into a bowl to serve and surround with vegetables and crackers to dip. This also makes a great side dish to a main meal. For this great, versatile recipe, be sure to grab some Ensure vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.